Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be making what I call the Antigua Sour. So we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of Botron 12 rum from here in Guatemala. It's got a really nice flavor to it. Then we're going to go ahead and add 1/2 ounce of lime. Fresh squeezed lime is optimal. We're going to add 1/2 ounce of this Melipona pure honey. 1/2 ounce in there. I have already prepared an egg white from 1 egg, which we're going to put in right here. It's going to make a really nice sour for us. I'm going to go ahead and take our spring. That's going to help us dry shake and mix the egg white into our cocktail. So we're going to want to give that a really nice shake. I'm going to say about 5 to 10 seconds. Going to really get this egg white mixed in there. So then we're going to go ahead and take it off. We're going to add ice. Now I just recommend adding light ice. We're not trying to overly chill the drink or break up too much ice in it, as shaking does do that. So we're going to go ahead and take that once more. We're going to go ahead and shake it. Give it a nice shake once again. Really get that foamy head to the sour and all those flavors mixed together. All right. Open that up. You're going to grab your glassware, which I have on my shelf because I forgot to bring it for the video. So we're going to go ahead and take that glassware. And we're going to go ahead and use a big rock for this. If you don't have a big rock, you can still use just regular cube ice. You're going to take your hawthorn strainer. We're going to pour our sour over our big cube. Got a nice foamy head on it. Give that a little shake. All right. Then we're going to go ahead and top this off with 1/2 ounce of Syrah. I'm going to pour it over the top of the ice cube because it's going to help us layer the drink nicely. You can even make a nice little pattern on top using the wine in the head. And that is the Antigua Sour.